Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin al-As radiyallahu anhu reports, someone mentioned my fast before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he came to me. I presented him a leather pillow stuffed with palm fibers. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat down on the ground and put the pillow between me and him and said, "Is not it enough for you to observe fast for 3 days every month?" I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "5." I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "7." I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "9." I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 11. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No fast is more excellent than that of David, fast of half of lifetime. It means to observe fast one day and shun it the other day." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1980.